South on 43. It is a Monday afternoon. We're under a tornado watch. I'm going toward the town of Senica. That's some rain falling out of the anvil out here, and one bolt of anvil lightning that I saw. That's the developing storm right there that we're going to try to get southeast of. I may have mentioned we're under a tornado watch. That's probably the only storm I'm going to be able to get because I need to get back into the viewing area in case I'm needed. So I'm racing as fast as I can down to the south to try to get a hold of this thing. Tornadic potential is not that high unless this thing can latch onto a boundary of some kind, but it's going to be the best shot I've got at an isolated storm so far this chase season. Looking north-northeast, it's moving away. It's got some structure. This is north of Seneca now. Between Seneca and Joplin is where it is. Moving off to the northeast pretty quick. We're just getting a new radar image now. There are other cells developing down to my southwest in Ottawa County, and I'm wondering if this isn't going to be a right of succession here, where this next one coming up will have just a little bit more punch than its cousin did. Get a good back shear anvil up there. You know, you're looking pretty good. So I don't know what's going on finally out there. I wasn't able, not really able to get what I needed in the O-Show or Granby in terms of an internet connection. So we're just kind of waiting here southeast of this storm, watching some towers go up there, and just waiting to see if this is going to become anything. It might. Alright, we're on Highway 60 just east of Granby, looking at what Laura tells us is a linear set of storms from Joplin and Carthage back on down to Oklahoma, Osage County, back around Seneca where I was. And that's just a little rain-free base there, although I don't think that is anything to be concerned about. I think we hit the jackpot. That right there. Just saw a cloud of ground lightning bolt come out of that lowering over there. It's at the southern end of the squall line that I was talking about earlier. I backtracked a little bit to the west to get this feature. There are mesos. I saw them. This is a whole line and moving very, very, very rapidly. I'm going to get caught in this if I'm not careful. You can probably see this whole thing is advancing at me at a pretty good clip. I think that area right there we have that area right there, which is looking north-northwest. It's got some rain curtains coming around behind it. Got some pretty good cloud to ground lightning. I'm thinking that's going to generate a tornado. Here City, the tornado warning sirens just went off. I'm going on Highway 57 to get out of town. It becomes apparent to me that I have to get my ass home right now. Very turbulent sky. I don't know there's actually a tornado in there, but I don't think the people up here say they're going to stop to find out. But looking back down Highway 60, I'm going north on M or MM, I can't remember which. Tornado sirens were going off in Billings, they were going off in Republic. Pretty intense to watch this. And now I'm looking back toward the west-southwest, and you know, I don't know if there's been an official tornado or not. That's certainly the area there that's worth watching. Of course, I'm racing back to the station. Should get there in about 15 minutes.